or avial or something? Avial. It's a vegetable curry from India. And we've got rice here. Let's see, gonna make a salad.
And Play-Doh.
And Play-Doh for the kids. Yeah. And Luke was watching cartoons, and now he's busy getting his stuff into supper here. And I'm busy working on Christmas cards and Christmas letters.
Say to Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh,
No. Well, they miss you. They want to hear your voice, and they want to hear. Well, how about who came over to play with you today?
Oh yeah, tell what happened. What you did today. Who came over? Who?
Stephen and Claudine.
Stephen and Claudine Sadawi. They're from Lebanon. And Claudine is a 3rd grader. Was in my class last year. And Stephen is 4, Luke's age.
But he's a little bit bigger.
Oh, is he? Anyway, they played together, and Danae had a friend. Tell him what you did.
We made a sandcastle. And Stephen and me wanted to call it is cement. Cement sandcastle. So Stephen thinks it'll get bigger.
What happened to your eye?
I bumped on the bathtub.
They're hurt?
Uh-huh.
Is it better now?
Uh-huh.
You like those pickles?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna eat all of them.
You ready?